Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim with the Splash package, powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Splash package being the revival of an old appearance package for the older generation of Rangers, giving you unique exterior decals, black rims, and accents, and inside you have some unique cloth as well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with the orange and black of the Splash package, and in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, and over here in the middle you have a 110-volt power outlet and 2 USBs. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stuff together. You have your fuel economy separately, truck info, so power distribution, stuff like that, lane keeping system, driver assistance features and settings, and then settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth. So you have some options there. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down, you have your hazards, and then your your physical media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. You also have 2 12-volt power outlets and 2 USBs down in this cubby area, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your tow haul mode button, traction control shutoff, and your 4x4 selector, as well as having your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside for all of your stuff, but that should cover all of our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.